In this video, I'm going to share with you step-by-step guide how to go live on TikTok with a saved video. Like you have a video in your gallery, you want to stream it live on TikTok, you don't want to be on camera. Now, as you're getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now, go ahead and press on the plus button where you post your videos from. Now, make sure that you switch to live right here. After switching to live, you'll find it in device camera. Make sure that you switch to the mobile gaming. Right there. After pressing on mobile gaming, make sure that you go live. If you don't have this feature called the mobile gaming feature or mobile gaming function, I've linked a video to the description showing you step-by-step guide how to apply for this feature on TikTok. It helps you stream live with saved videos and also stream games live on TikTok. Now press on go live. After pressing on go live, make sure that you press on start now. After pressing on start now, they are showing you that get ready. You're going to be live in 25 in the seconds that are counting right here. Now make sure that you get ready. Go to your gallery. Immediately go to your gallery in your phone. And then start playing that video you'd like to stream live on TikTok. You can see it's counting down. After those seconds, you're going to go live. So start playing that video like this one. Make sure that you get a long video. And ready, you are live. You will be live. You can see the viewers right here in the corner and the likes and everything you want. Just like that. You don't need to be on camera. But don't forget to turn off your notifications because they can be popping up on your video. Since it's mobile gaming, it just screen codes whatever happens on your phone screen. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.